I just wanted to know what were your complaints when you came to me for the first times.
Hello, so from the year 2005, I'm suffering from the problem of pain in abdomen, problem while passing stool, bleeding, frequent vomiting, like this. And thereafter, over the period of time, these problems went on increasing, and I was in search of proper medical treatment. So I was always in confusion, which pathy should I go for. So I tried allopathy, I tried Ayurvedic, and finally I came for homeopathy, and I am settled over here.
Okay, how frequent you used to suffer from those complaints?
Um, Almost on daily basis I was suffering. Of course, pain was always there. When you go for passing stool, pain was there. Vomiting was not that much frequent, but
Okay.
of course it was there. Whenever I was suffering from vomiting, 10 to 15 episodes were there.
Okay, and you had typical feeling in the abdomen.
Yeah,
Can you describe what was that feeling? And
pain was very sharp. If someone is stabbing you, such kind of pain was there. And now that is subside.
okay, and after starting homeopathic treatment, what did you experience?
Very well. The change is extremely positive. All my complaints are almost on the verge of diminishing completely. My bleeding stopped completely. Pain has gone completely. Vomiting has stopped completely.
Before coming to Healthline's Quality of Living Clinic, you had been to various consultants.
Yeah.
So, you were on any kind of medication for a longer period of time before?
Yeah, earlier I tried allopathy, but allopathy did not suit me. Whenever I taking those pills, I think some pills were of 150 or 250 mg like that, but those were not suitable. When I used to take that pill, immediately I was vomiting, so that was not working for me. So I went tried Ayurvedic, but they have a lot of restrictions. You do this, don't that. So I was not able to follow that. So it didn't work.
After starting this homeopathic treatment, within how much span you started feeling better and positive?
Yeah, now this homeopathy treatment I am taking for last 6 months, and after out of these 6 months, from the second month onwards, I started to see the positive results, and now as the treatment is going on, I can see more positive results.
And have you tried after the treatment any kind of food items or any kind of items which used to aggravate your complaints earlier?
Yeah, this is very important. Earlier, I had restrained myself from not going for example, your fast food, pav bhaji and like that, dry fruits, because I was having problems, or my problem was getting exaggerated. But now I can have anything. I have tried almost everything which I was not doing earlier, but then also there is no complaint. So I can have my normal routine as earlier.
Did you find any change in your general sense of well-being?
Yeah, definitely. First of all, now I have become quite relaxed and calm. Earlier I used to be impatient, angry, like that, but now I have become calm. I am always energetic.
Did you find any change in your productivity?
Yeah, because I started to enjoy it. Earlier I was doing monotonously or like machine, but now I take more interest, so it gives me pleasure. So you can say it has increased.
Okay.
Most beneficial advantage is that as far as homeopathy is concerned, you don't have to follow the there are no stringent restrictions. You can have these medications at any time. Even if you are traveling, you can open your bottle and take the pills, and you can go.
Okay. Thank you.